In eastern Ukraine, the government-controlled town of Avdiyivka sustained more shelling by Russia-backed separatists overnight. Here, one of the injured was taken away by ambulance in the early hours of February 3rd. This was yet another casualty as fighting escalated between government troops and separatists in the Donetsk region this week. Both sides have accused each other of provoking fresh artillery and rocket attacks. Several deaths and injuries of soldiers and civilians have been reported in and around Avdiyivka. The fighting cut power and water supplies to thousands of residents on both sides of the front line, prompting evacuations. Clashes between Russia-backed separatists and government forces first broke out in April 2014. Close to 10,000 have since been killed.